Tiny seeds, huge benefits. Exploring the power of chia seeds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing benefits of chia seeds, a superfood you definitely need to try. You know I love talking about simple changes that make a big impact on your health, and incorporating chia seeds into your diet is definitely one of them. We're going to break down why these tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses and how they can help you feel your best. Let's get started. Nutritional powerhouse. What's inside every chia seed? First things first, let's talk about why we even call chia seeds a superfood. We throw that term around a lot, but chia seeds really earn that title. They're absolutely packed with essential nutrients that our bodies crave. One of the biggest things you'll notice on the nutrition label is the impressive amount of fiber in chia seeds. Fiber is crucial for digestive health, helping to keep things moving smoothly, if you know what I mean. But beyond that, fiber also helps us feel full and satisfied after meals, which is a major plus if you're watching your weight. And hold on, we're not done yet. Chia seeds are also an excellent plant-based source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. We all know protein is important for building and repairing tissues, but those omega-3s, they're the healthy fats that support brain health, reduce inflammation, and can even benefit your heart. Not bad for a tiny seed, right? Antioxidants, the tiny warriors fighting for your health. Now let's talk about antioxidants. These are like the body's natural defense system against damage from things called free radicals. Think of free radicals like little troublemakers in your body that can cause inflammation and contribute to all sorts of health issues. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants that help neutralize these free radicals, acting like tiny warriors protecting your cells. This is important for overall health and well-being, and it's one of the reasons chia seeds are linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Remember, chronic inflammation is like a low-grade fire smoldering in your body, and over time, it can do some serious damage. Antioxidants help to put out that fire, keeping your cells healthy and functioning at their best. Chapter 3. Weight management, feeling full and reaching your goals. If you're trying to manage your weight, listen up. Remember how we talked about chia seeds being high in fiber? Well, that fiber is a game changer when it comes to feeling full and satisfied. When you eat chia seeds, they absorb water and expand in your stomach, creating a gel-like substance. This adds bulk to your meals, which sends signals to your brain that you're full, preventing overeating. Plus, that feeling of fullness lasts longer, so you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks between meals. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can be a valuable tool for weight management, helping you feel in control of your hunger cues and making healthier choices throughout the day. Chapter 4. Heart-healthy habits, chia seeds for a happy heart. We can't talk about the benefits of chia seeds without mentioning heart health. Remember those omega-3 fatty acids we discussed earlier? They play a key role in keeping your heart healthy and happy. Omega-3s have been shown to reduce blood pressure, lower triglycerides, a type of fat found in your blood, and decrease the risk of blood clots. All of these factors are essential for maintaining good cardiovascular health. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you're giving your heart a healthy dose of these beneficial fats, which can help reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. It's a simple step that can have a big impact on your long-term health. Chapter 5. Easy to add, easy to love, getting creative with chia seeds. One of the best things about chia seeds is how incredibly versatile they are. You can easily incorporate them into your diet without making major changes to your meals. One of my favorite ways to enjoy chia seeds is in smoothies. Just add a tablespoon or two to your blender along with your favorite fruits, veggies, and liquids. They'll blend right in, adding a boost of nutrition and a slightly thicker texture. Chia seeds are also delicious sprinkled on top of yogurt, oatmeal, or salads. They add a nice crunch and a nutritional punch to any meal. You can even mix them with water to make chia seed pudding. It's a healthy and refreshing snack or dessert. Outro, your superfood journey starts now. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and superfood insights. See you next time.